This video is going to show you how to do a weigh off. So the scenario here is we've got 22 head in the ring. They weigh 13,200 pounds. For whatever reason, we decide we don't want to sell two of those along with the other bunch. We want to hold two head back. So what you're going to do here is just let everyone know you're going to hold them two head back. Go ahead and sell off the 20 head that you're going to sell. So you sell them, we got our price, that's done. You're going to kick them out of the ring. They're going to go on to be penned. Once they're out of the ring, so now we're left with our two head that we're holding back that we want to sell separately. Everything else is out. You want to wait till your scale is balanced and showing the correct weight. Once that's right, you're going to hit weigh off. So this is going to show your weight that comes in from your scale. That's why you want to wait and make sure that you're balanced before you pull that in. So we're going to put our head in here that we're holding back, our two head. If you need to, you can edit this for whatever reason. That shouldn't happen very often, but you can edit that if you need to. Submit. There's we're left with our 20 head, our new weight. We're just going to sell these. And now we're left with our two head in the ring. We're going to weigh them. And now those two head are ready to sell. Simple as that.